Let's learn the names of some vegetables. Lettuce, spinach, kale, cabbage, Chinese cabbage, morning glory or water spinach, bok choy, coriander, mint, basil, carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip, sweet potato, cassava, potato, yam, taro, onion, garlic, shallot, leek, tomato, cucumber, eggplant, pumpkin, zucchini, bell pepper, chili, okra, celery, asparagus, bamboo shoots, kohlrabi, broccoli, cauliflower, banana blossom, green beans, peas, lentils, mushroom, straw mushroom, shiitake, enoki,